salt or sugar. Which body scrub suits your body? If anyone asks your opinion about having a massage or body scrub, people for quite obvious reasons choose massage. Why? Simply because we are familiar with it, and it also feels quite good. Massages help in stimulating the blood circulation as well. But do you know that scrubs help in rejuvenating your body? Dead skin cells act as a protective layer by covering our bodies will naturally shed off. Harmful chemicals in soaps make it hard for the body to purge toxins. This results in itchy, dry, and unhealthy-looking skin. Today's market confuses the buyer with so many varieties of scrubs. But the two most popular ones are salt and sugar scrubs. They are both good and also different. The salt scrub is quite popular and is an instant pick of people across the world. It reverberates our own body chemistry. Salt helps in carrying nutrients into the cells and regulates various body functions. Natural salts like the Turkish salts or Dead Sea salts contain magnesium, help in calming the nerves and muscles. Moreover, sodium is a natural detoxifying agent that helps retain nourishments and remove the waste. Due to these components, salt is known to be rougher but more purifying to the skin. The sugar scrub is obviously made out of sugar cane. It is less abrasive and melts faster on a warmer body. Raw sugar cane has a natural enzyme alpha-hydroxyl property that gently removes away dead skin cells, cleans and unclogs pores as it slowly melts on your skin. These scrubs are normally mixed with a base oil such as olive, coconut oil or sunflower to give it a nice texture. Essential oils are added for herbal benefits and scents. A good body scrub can last for 30 to 45 minutes.